Harkafune and welcome back. Kakuu presents Greetings or Nagawal Gafachu. Today's lesson will be focused on everyday phrases we will have in conversation with other people during different particulars in the day. Wareidura or greetings we exchange before noon. Akkam bulte, good morning. Ani nagada. Ati akkam bulte, I am good, good morning. Naga galatawaq. Good, praise be to God. Maatiin kee nagaadha. How are your families doing? Nagaa isaanitti, they're fine, or they're good, or they're doing great. Biyyi hunduu nagaadha, which literally means the country and everyone in it is good, but in this context is asking the general question of, how is your village? Nagaadha, it is good. Nagaatti oli, have a good day. Nagaatti oli, have a good day. These greetings have different versions when one is in conversation with multiple people or when trying to show respect. Akkam bultan, good morning. Ani nagaadha. Isin akkam bultan, I'm good, good morning. Waaree booda or greetings we exchange in the afternoon. Akkam oolte, good afternoon. Ani nagaadha. Ati akkam oolte, I'm good, good afternoon. Nagaadha. Qe'een kee nagaadha. I'm good. How is your village? How is your home? Nagaadha. Firii hunduu nagaadha. Good. How are your relatives? Galatni isa haa ga'u, hunduu nagaadha. Praise be to him. All are doing good. Nagaatti buli. Good night. Nagaatti buli. Good night. As demonstrated before, phrases have different wordings when we are talking to multiple people or trying to show respect. Akkam ooltan, how was your day? Nagaa isin akkam ooltan, good, how was your day? Phrases that are used at any time. Akkam jirta, how are you? Ani nagaadha, ati ho, I am good, how about you? When in conversation with multiple people or our elders, we use akkam jirtu, which means how are you? Ani nagaadha, I am good. Some informal phrases used in greetings. Ashama, Nooru, which is more formal, and Yoya, all are different ways of saying hello. When people ask us about our general well-being, we have small and short phrases of response. Garida, good. Baesa, pretty good. Homa hin jedhu, it's okay. Badaa miti, not so bad. When welcoming people back from long or short journeys, we use baga nagaan dhuftee or ana dhufu, which means welcome. This is the end of Kakuu Presents Afaan Oromoo Greetings, Galatoma and thank you. If you have any inquiries, send us an email at kakuucollective@gmail.com. You can also find us at Kakuu Official on Telegram, Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. Nagatti. Bye.